guys, I am so excited about this video. Last night I picked up these free pieces that I got from Facebook Marketplace. I plan to do this outside, not on my porch, but it is raining right now if you can't hear. So I'm just going to wipe these down with warm water and soap and then get to sanding them. Okay, so now I'm going to go through this with a dry rag and wipe it down so it's not too wet. I'm going to be taking 150 grain and my dad's sander. Luckily he had one so I didn't have to buy one. And I'm going to be sanding it down. I also have 60, but we'll see what this does. Okay, so now I'm going to take the hardware off of it before I sand the drawer. So I have finished sanding down the outside and the drawers. I think that I'm going to leave this wood just because I always like to have something wood and it's not chipped. I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like without this. Okay, so now I'm going to spray paint the hardware black. This is what I picked, and I think it was like $3 from Walmart. And I think the hardware is done drying. Oh, they're so pretty. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna need to spray this side. So it is day 2 of working on the furniture. Today I'm going to do a second coat on these just because I don't think I did the best job. And then I'm going to paint the drawers. Okay, so the plan right now is to use this white paint that I've had left over. I think I got it from Lowe's or Home Depot. I think I'm gonna paint the outside and the top white and then go in with this that I just got in that beige color for the drawer. And then the black, I hope it looks good. Okay, so before I start to paint, I'm just gonna wipe it down just one more time just in case, because last thing I did was sand and there's kind of some dust all over it, so I'm gonna wipe it down one more time. Okay, so now I'm gonna tape some paper down right here just so I know for sure that I'm not gonna get paint on it. Okay, here we go. I did the same thing I did with that one. I taped it down right here and I wiped it off. A lot of dust is actually coming off of those and I'm kind of shocked because I wiped them down yesterday too. Okay, so now I'm going to paint this one. Okay, so now I'm going to take a small brush and paint the front of this frame. So now I'm going to paint this beige, and I did tape under here because there's some holes right here for the hardware, but I'm going to try not to get paint through there. But yeah, I'm going to do that right now. Hey guys, so the paint that I painted has dried and I have decided to paint the bottom white. I just feel like there's just too many colors going on. But I also think I'm going to paint the sides and the back black to match this handle. But I love how it turned out. I'm going to do the second coat of this and the first coat of this. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so now I'm done painting the two side tables. I painted the inside of the bottom, and I kind of just went over the top again. I think I did like 2 coats on the top. So now I'm gonna paint the beige color on the drawers. I forgot what they were called for a second. Okay guys, so I have painted 2 coats in the black back there on both of them, and then I painted some white, but it should be dry by now. So I'm gonna go in this clear coat, and I got the matte one because I don't want any shine to it. So I'm gonna do that right now on everything but the black and the bottom because I got it covered up. That was very dumb. Okay guys, so last night I finished painting the black, and then I did a top coat on all of this and the drawers. I'm completely done with the drawers, but I need to take this off and see if I need to do another layer of white, and then I need to do the top coat for both the black and the white. Well, that turned into a disaster. I'm wondering if it's because I didn't sand that part down. Ugh, dang it. So I am now gonna sand this. I think that was the issue. But I actually think I'm gonna paint the bottom black now. So I'm gonna sand it lightly. Not as much as I would normally, but I'm just gonna sand it down a little bit and then paint it black. Okay, so you can't really see with this lighting, but I painted it black on the inside. Okay, so I have finished painting them, and then I just set up some decorations. I played around with it and decided what I thought looked best. I'm about to take pictures of them now and then put them on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so now I'm going to take all the decorations off of them and just take a picture with it with no decoration. Okay, now we're gonna put them on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so I have officially sold these. I got them for free and I sold them for $80. But right now it's the night before I drop them off, and I'm just gonna go through and kind of touch up on some white and paint underneath here. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe because I have 2 more free pieces that I'll be flipping next week. And do not forget to like and comment because it really helps my channel.